Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 27th of December, 2024. In today's top renewable energy news, the President of Finland has signed a bill that enables the country to organize its first tender for offshore wind development in the Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. With the new legislation set to enter into force on the 1st of January 2025, the government is looking to launch the first offshore wind tender in the autumn of next year. The Finnish Act on Offshore Wind Power in the Exclusive Economic Zone will clarify the regulation of projects in the Exclusive Economic Zone, which has been deficient until now. Brookfield Asset Management has finalized the acquisition of a 53.12% stake in Neoen and will launch a tender offer for all remaining shares of the French renewable power producer in the next few days. The block deal for the majority interest was wrapped up following antitrust and foreign investment approvals, Neoen said on Friday. As agreed in June, the stock was bought by Brookfield and other institutional partners at a price of €39.85. Vietnam will impose an anti-dumping levy of 97% on wind turbine towers originating from China following a 15-month investigation. The tariff is expected to take effect on January 8, 2025, and will be in place for 5 years, according to a statement from the Trade Ministry. In September 2023, Vietnam launched an investigation into the sector after domestic producers claimed the dumping of Chinese-made towers was damaging them. In the Netherlands, the available budget of the Stimulation of Sustainable Energy Production and Climate Transition Subsidy Round has not been fully used during 2024. Of the available €11.5 billion, approximately €9.8 billion was requested. Independent power producers have had to wait for interconnection approval prior to applying for the subsidy. For onshore wind, 35 applications were received with a total capacity of 317 megawatts. Spain has a total of 29 projects awarded under the EU Innovation Fund, linked to a volume of aid totaling €1,286 million. Spain was the country with the most beneficiary projects after 8 new projects were awarded in the last call for 2023, out of a total of 85 selected. The EU Innovation Fund is a specific financing program for the deployment of innovative technologies, processes, and products with low carbon emissions managed by the European Commission. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.